Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is traction engineering practicals. So today's practical number 1 and 2, I give the information. First is the experiment number 1. Title of experiment is that prepare a report by identifying components of traction substation power supply system. Then related COs are interpret the electric power supply arrangements in electric traction. Then constituents components required. Circuit breaker, interpreters, transformer and additional components. Then the introduction and related theory. Major equipments of electrical substation. Transformer, circuit breaker, interrupter are the major equipments in the traction substation. First is the transformer. Transformer is the major component of traction substation. Normally, step-down transformer is used to step the high voltage level from 220 kV to 132 kV to a working voltage level of 25 kV. The capacity of the transformer is normally from 15 MVA to 32.5 MVA. These transformers are oil immersed. Oil immersed transformers not only provides traction cooling but also specially designed to endure severe working conditions as insulation. Transformers are compared to ordinary transformer. Since the transformer is oil immersed, it is provided with buckless relay along with standard accessories such as breather oil level indicator, drain valve, filtering valve and conservator tank. Then the next point is traction transformer is specially designed to withstand severe short condition. They are required to have short time peak capacity. In order to meet the requirement, traction transformer has A-class type insulation so as to withstand the short circuit at 25 kV overhead lines. Traction transformers are generally provided with off-load tap changer instead of on-load tap changer, since the primary is connected to the grid network where voltage is maintained within permissible limit. These transformers are provided with other standard accessories such as oil level indicator, drain valve, filtering valve, thermometer, relief tank and thermometers to indicate the rise in oil temperature. Next is the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is switch which automatically under faulty conditions such as overload or short circuit to protect an electrical circuit from damage. Its basic function is to identify faulty conditions and break off the current flow. Operates circuit breaker used in traction substation are L of two types, namely transformer side circuit breaker and feeder side circuit breaker. Then the transformer side circuit breaker will operate only under the fault within the transformer and are normally in closed position, where feeder side circuit breaker operates under the presence of fault on the overload lines. Most of the faults on the transmission line are the overhead equipment are the temporary in nature. Under such circumstances, fault automatically cleared within auto reclosing arrangement is made available to the circuit breaker. Reclosing time interval seconds few are the therefore is adjusted to 30 seconds. The rated capacity of the circuit breaker is 750 amperes at 25 kV and rupturing capacity of about 500 MVA. There are various types of circuit breakers available according to type of arc extinguishing media, but mostly minimum oil circuit breaker is preferred to the substation application. Overall tripping time of minimum oil circuit breaker is 0.14 seconds, composed of 0.04 second for relay operation and 0.1 second for opening of breaker contacts. Then the next is interpreters. Interpreters is a non-automatic type of circuit breaker. As per the requirement, they are available in various types and ratings such as single pole interpreters, double pole SF6 interpreters, etc. The interpreters is used as a following location in the 25 kV AC 50 Hz single phase traction system. First is as sectioning interpreters as subsection and paralleling posts as paralleling interpreters and sectioning posts and subsectioning and paralleling posts. Third is as bringing interpreters at sectioning post as feeding interpreters at feeding post. Fifth is as bus coupler interpreters at traction substation. Sixth is for controlling power supply to measure at loco sheds. Next is miscellaneous equipment at traction substation and function. First is the lightning arrestor. This is the diagram of lightning arrestor. And lightning arrestor plays an important role in ensuring safety of electrical equipment as well as working personnel from lightning surge in traction installation used for protection against voltage surges. Second is the auxiliary transformer. Provides 230-volt 50 Hz supply to operate battery changer, remote control equipment, signal and lightning. Third is the PT. Measures HV and indicate its value at each sub-sector of remote control center, provides continuous indication regarding the condition of supply. Fourth is the battery for operation of remote control equipment and interpreters. Fifth is the battery charging equipment, charger batteries at control post. A substation battery charger ensures all the essential electrical system in a substation continue to operate in the event of a power outage. It supplies the energy needed to manage to the protective device and high voltage components and allows electrical fault to be safety isolated. So the last is the result. Hence report was prepared by identify components of traction substation power supply system. Questions related to these practicals are: first is the list all the main components in traction substation. So the main components are transformer, circuit breaker and interpreters are the major equipments in the traction substation. Second is the list all the additional components in traction substation. So the answer is lightning arrestor, battery charging equipment. So this is about the experiment number 1. Then the experiment number 2 is that aim is that draw the functional diagram of traction substation with rating. So this is the diagram of functional diagram of traction substation. Then the COs illustrate traction subsystem with associated accessories. Then the components all constituent used in traction substation. Introduction and related theory. This is the diagram. See. Then this is the theory. Supply authorities are responsible for following: opening and maintenance of 132 to 110 kV kilovolt transmission line, and second is operation and maintenance of grid substation up to 25 kilovolt outing terminal. So this is the theory and then the result. Hence report prepared on functional diagram of traction substation with rating. Questions are: name the type of circuit breaker used in traction substation with its rating. So the answer is that there are various type of circuit breaker are available according to the type of arc execution medium, but in case of traction substation application, mostly minimum oil circuit breaker, MOCB, that is minimum oil circuit breaker, or 25 kilovolt feeder circuit breaker is used. Second question is: name the type of transformer used in traction substation with its rating. So the answer is: at each traction substation normally two signal phase transformer are installed, one which is in service and other is 100% standby. The present standard capacity is 21.6 megawatt ampere MVA. ON AN type means oil natural 30.2 MVA. So today, thank you. In the last lecture, in the next lecture, we see the practical number 3 and 4.